Ayo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Wildcat Bull here. Welcome back to a brand new video for you guys here today. And today guys, we are going to be checking out a brand new cartoon animation called Boomerang in a Gunfight. No disclaimer, I just saw this recently on my recommendation list after watching Hell of a Boss and Has Been Hotel. So if you guys also haven't seen those yet, I highly encourage you, please go check those out too. I just checked them out. They're both fantastic and I really give them a 10 out of 10. But today guys, we're checking out Boomerang in a Gunfight. It's created by a YouTuber called Pymations. I don't know who Pymations is. All I saw was this recommended on my list after watching Hell of a Boss. And I thought it'd be important, hey, let's check it out today, kind of keep the flow going of animated shows I've been checking out so far. I thought this looks kind of interesting. But I'm hella interested to check it out. Like I said, let's kind of keep the flow going. You're gonna go back to music soon, so kind of keep that in mind. We're not gonna be doing a lot of stuff, but I'm just trying to transition to other stuff, guys. Just keep that in mind because, as Yinka said, music is my #1 priority I'm doing right now. But I thought we'd just check out our stuff in the meantime. So today, let's check out Boomerang in a Gunfight. Hopefully, it's good. If Hell of a Boss is good, Has Been Hotel is good. I'm pretty sure this will be good as well. I know different creators, but. And like I said, let's just check out something new today. So here we go, guys. Boomerang in a Gunfight. Here we go. Created by Mike Pitts. Troutwater. It's pretty good.
Whoever just blew up the bank, come out with your hands up.
I got a rocket. I can throw things so hard.
And don't pull anything funny like menacingly revealing yourself through the smoke while laughing suspiciously. This guy's a wild card, Sean.
Drop the bag before this gets ugly.
Words out about you, donkey boy. You the sheriff who ain't never stopped a single bandit.
I was just standing while we look for a better one. Give me a break.
Well, I don't see a better one, do you?
You're looking right at him, buddy. I'm Todd Hayseed, the new sheriff of Troutwater, so now you'll answer to me.
Where?
Right next to Sean. This whole time.
I can't see in the dang sunlight. How dangerous are you?
Don't answer that.
Below average to moderate. I'm working on it.
Dog.
A little newbie, huh? Well, let's see what you got.
My arms.
My arms.
Watch out!
I can't believe I made it out of that violent robbery completely.
Sorry, Huck.
It's all right. Ain't have much teeth left anyhow.
He'll be fine. Did you see where the guy went?
I think he got away. Oh, wait, there he is.
Oh, am I not hidden good? Can't see a dang thing. What are you gonna do, right?
Put your hands where I can see him.
Sure, hold this.
Of course.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. And at Todd, you are holding dynamite.
See you later, dirtbags.
You can't even see. Howdy. Well, y'all know why you're here. What went wrong?
He got away.
Scary. Used dynamite.
Oh, did he? It only shook the whole dang town. My assistant Lloyd was scared crying, for God's sake.
I was not.
So who was it? Bum Bobby? TNT Pete? Jerry?
No,
Jerry.
someone new.
A bull rat.
Jerry.
Or a pilot's helmet.
Couldn't see well.
Or at all, really.
Oh yeah, he didn't even see you at first.
Says a lot about his aim, doesn't it?
And did you see how wrinkly he was?
I'm okay. Sounds like y'all are talking about old Boomstick. He's blind.
Well, that didn't stop him from shooting at us.
Well, what's stopping you from shooting at him, Todd?
I don't know. I roughed him up okay without a gun.
You really didn't.
And with that thing, I can actually kill someone.
With any luck.
I'll do it for a pay raise.
Oh, sure, Sean. Yeah, here.
Got it. Yeah.
Just a concept, boys, but have you ever considered using your brains?
Hey!
I'm trying my best, but this job is really hard to pick up without any training.
What do you mean you're not trained? You said on your resume. You said you were the protector of the whatchamacallum fortune. Wouldn't defending some kind of wealthy estate require physical training?
Whatchamacallum isn't some rich guy. It's a knick-knack store near my old home in Foxton. I was a cashier there, and sometimes I helped Mr. McCallum hide his fortune from the IRS. Whoever they are.
Jesus.
So I have an idea.
Okay.
I'm putting y'all through a full course of fight school where you're gonna learn everything I know about combat.
Wait, really? You're gonna personally train us?
Me personally? God, no. I'm far too busy. Have you seen my office? It's a mess. I taught Lloyd everything I know as well, so he'll do.
Oh.
Were you talking about me? Oh boy, I've never been a teacher before.
And I've never been taught before.
It sure is a day for a new
We're all
experience.
very excited, Lloyd.
So I got my old notes from when Mayor Joy trained me. I jotted down everything she said and did so I could study.
So where do we start?
So first things first. This course will consist of physical exercise, criminal engagement strategy, and apprehension procedure.
Yeah!
Throughout which we will employ militaristic coaching techniques.
Okay.
She got those from the war.
The war!
Coming from Lloyd, this should be good.
Yeah, and then she just started yelling stuff kind of like this.
Drop it, every swatty doggers!
Sir, yes, sir!
Cool, we're on our way.
The chocolate.
Good job out there, fellas. You made a lot of progress today.
Yeah, kind of surprising with how much we jumped between activities.
It was an intense 50 to 60 seconds.
Cheers. What?
I don't think I can legally drink this.
Oh, relax, Todd. It's root beer or something. I don't know.
I don't know.
Who the heck is that?
That's the scarecrow.
What does he want?
I don't know. He's never stopped in trough water before.
He wants blood!
Got him!
The chocolate. What happened?
Hey, did we get him?
Holy haystacks, we did get him! This is awesome! I can't believe this!
Todd, breathe.
Well, come on! We gotta finish the arrest!
Todd, breathe.
Well, well, well.
The blind guy,
Your
isn't
sudden
it?
and confusing assault has come to an end. Now let's get that mask off and see what you really look like.
Ah, of course. A chick.
Howdy. It's fine! We beat the crap out of our boss! Shot! Why?
Yeah, what's going on, Mayor?
Boys, just please calm down. I think you're gonna like what I have to say.
We will.
Why?
Because you passed my test. Congratulations.
You're
Okay.
what?
This was just a simple hands-on performance test to see how your training went. See, I figured it was good to review what you learned by observing an actual criminal situation. But by coming in as the criminal myself, I could test you on specific scenarios I wanted to know about. And,
Dodgy.
I could reduce the difficulty. So, I'd call this a success.
And we did good.
Yep,
And you had to be that rough?
yep.
And Lloyd was in on this the whole time.
No, he's not much of an actor, so I had him think the Scarecrow was real too by giving him just a bit of foreshadowing about it.
Oh yeah, I can trade Todd and Sean.
Great. Oh, and don't say anything about it, but there's this tall guy named the Scarecrow, and he's crazy violent and has spikes for arms. He's never been to Troughtwater, but I don't know, he might be later today. We'll see.
What?
Nothing, go train them. Go, go, go!
Someone
Go, go,
probably
go.
better tell Lloyd then.
I got it.
So, really think we did better today?
You were fine, yes. But, well, you didn't cuff me, read my rights, create crowd control, failed to minimize property damage, had an obvious sense of
Course.
panic. But you were motivated and, good with the boomerang, I guess. I suppose I'm proud of the progress you've made.
Guys, Lloyd's passed out.
Thanks, Mayor.
I'll handle it, Sean.
Whoa, she smiled. Sincerely. What you two talk about?
She said she was proud.
What, really?
She thinks we can do this. That we can actually save Troughtwater.
Then let's do it!
We will!
Oh yeah!
Watch out, criminal world! There's a new sheriff in town.
And deputy.
And we're moderate to above average at our jobs. Watch out!
Hey, fellas!
Boys!
Deep in the west with a bandage roam and the lodge stairs and farm room home you'll down a place with a friendly pace and a fuzzy
Oh,
face
merch?
and crack their
Cool.
case and sheriff talk not out but talking to boomerang get stop your squad so hold the fraud and think before you violate the law. Sheriff Todd Hayseed.
Okay. Woo! Let me give some props to this little short animated show. It's pretty good. Let me give you that. It's really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's like the first episode or a pilot, I'm guessing. I don't know who Climax is, but props to him. He did an amazing job for this little short pilot. And overall, the characters are pretty dope, and the theme song's pretty good too. Besides that, it's just a traditional story. The heroes trying to prove themselves worthy. It's a typical standard story, but again, it's probably like the first episode. There might be more. I haven't even checked the whole video if there's any more of it, but it looks pretty dope. And yeah, props to Mike. He did an amazing job. Sorry, Mike Pimation's Pit. He did an amazing job. Maybe I'll check out more of his content in the future, guys. But yeah, overall, if you haven't seen this video, I encourage you guys to check it out. I think it's a pretty good show for a little small pilot. Hopefully we'll see more in the future. And he does have Patreons too, so I recommend you guys go support him on Patreon as well. But besides that, guys, nothing more I can really say. But want you guys to go check it out as well. Show support to Primations, because like I said, I'm just checking out his first animation, Boomerang, in the gunfight, and it looks pretty good. Like I said, I gave my props. I actually give it some good respect, and for a little pilot, and it's pretty dope. It may not be like Hazbin Hotel or Hell of a Boss, because it's made by a different YouTuber, but overall, this is a good change in pace. And Western theme's kind of cliche, but it works pretty well for this kind of short. So yeah, but besides that, go check it out, guys. If you haven't seen the pilot yet, I'll put a link down below in the description of this video. But yeah, I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be doing more animations and music and other stuff in the future. So if you have anything you want me to check out, please let me know in the comments down this video or any one of my other videos. But besides that, thank you all for watching. This is Wildcat Bull, and I'll see you all later.